Hello, my name is Łukasz Kulas and I am working at the Gdańsk University of Technology, Poland. Within InSect project, our team developed many interesting innovations, and today I would like to present you one of those, which is small inspection robot that can support your operations in measurements. Starting with some motivation we received from our partners is that measurements of wireless systems is a complex task, and also it requires a lot of time because measurements have to be repeated in many different locations to characterize the wireless system at best. There are many possible robotic support from systems that can move on the ground to the systems that are hovering in the air. But unfortunately, most of the solutions are very expensive, from a few $1,000s a month for a rental to tens of thousands of dollars. To support those who need robotic platforms for measurements or inspections, we developed a modular and compact platform within InSect project, and that allows for 2 hours of continuous driving. It means that if you are doing measurement session and that requires your robot to go from point to point and then perform measurements, the robot can operate up to 8 or 10 hours. The robot can work on different terrain types, can be controlled remotely, and also you can incorporate an autonomous mission so the measurement session can be done in an automatic way. The robot can operate in full remote mode, but also it can be operated by programming its waypoints. And we also developed a real-time preview of sensor data in a separate application. To the robot, you can connect different payload, from LiDARs and RGB cameras to radars and thermovision cameras. So such a robot can be used for inspection of large areas to detect possible anomalies. The most practical ability of our system is to perform automatic missions. Each mission plan consists of several or tens or hundreds of waypoints robot must reach, and at each waypoint the robot can perform a pre-planned action, for example, to take a measurement. The operator can stop robot at any time. We used our robot for automatic measurements of one of wireless systems we developed within InSect project. The robot positioned itself using very accurate differential GPS with a few centimeter accuracy, and then at every point robot performed measurements. On the left hand side you can see that transceivers were placed on the robot at different heights because we wanted to verify how signal performance change with the height above the ground. To verify how system works, we performed a series of tests of one of the systems for dependable communication in seaport areas. The system installation was very similar to the installation we did for the port of Gdańsk. The robot performed a lot of measurements and successfully provided thousands of very valuable data. To observe how the robotic system measurements can look like, you can find a video link visible in this slide. To summarize, we developed a low-cost robot that is able to support you in measurements, and it can do measurements for several hours, can operate in remote mode operated by an operator, or can perform an autonomous mission doing very accurately measurements and moving from point to point. The robot can be equipped with a lot of payload, so if you think about a use case or using this robot, please contact us. And then what is even more interesting, we are preparing more compact design of a robot that will have increased operational time, will be more resistant to all weather conditions, and also will have more modular design for very easy customization, and will also work indoors and outdoors to support your measurements. If you have any questions, please contact me directly. Looking forward to collaborate with you. Thank you.